when it comes to the fastest way to make money, not just AI, just in general, because I coach hundreds of entrepreneurs and it's like, I see the same patterns. The biggest thing is traffic, 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 traffic. You do not have an offer problem, you have a traffic problem. So when people say, I need to make money, fastest way to make money, what's the best business model? Sorry, I know you are not posting content daily. So if you are under $10,000 a month, this is your only game. You are spending 4 hours a day marketing. Because if you're under $10,000, under 10K a month, you have nothing else on your schedule or priority list that is more of a priority than marketing at your stage, honestly. Like that, nothing else, not your logo, not learning some new API, not watching my YouTube videos, not getting distracted, everything that is not revenue generating. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be posting 10 times a day and go live 3 times a day. If you want the fastest way to make money, that's it. But that is what most people are not going to be able to do, because this is what it takes to basically push out enough content to get seen in the world. You know how many like millions of videos get posted every single day? Like there's a lot of competition. And so you got to be posting in order for you to attract your right audience. And then you got to give away the value. Got to give away all the value, all the sauce. So to me, I don't care about your product. I don't care about your service. I'm going to look at your revenue. And so if it's under $10,000 a month and you're struggling, cool, you should be posting and going live multiple times. That will bring in leads. I have a lot of clients who are like, oh, I want to do Google ads, wasting their time. Oh, I want to do Facebook and Instagram ads, wasting their time. You need to go straight to the customer, and that's what live streams and content does. It takes you and going straight to the customer and saying, no, I want to wait for the customer to come to my horrible website. So I'm going to spend a lot of money on Google, and I'll let Google send me traffic to my website. Meanwhile, your website's not a funnel and you're getting all this traffic, no one signs up, and you're like, Google sucks, it's not working. And I'm like, meanwhile, from this live stream, we'll scoop up at least 100 emails just from this live stream alone across all 3 profile or platforms, from TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube right now. And 1% of people will buy between 2 weeks and 2 months from now. It's like, that is the most important thing that you can do today. If you're under $10,000 a month and you're like, oh, I struggle, regardless of your business, this is the most important thing that you could do when it comes to making money. And then when it comes to with AI, just teach AI. Teach AI and teach Claude Code. If you could teach Claude Code to your community, you will walk on water. They will all look up to you, and because of how much you can automate with Claude Code. You can't automate that with Cowork. You can't automate that with stuff in the browser. And so it's teaching them how to use the right tools to get insane results. Beautiful. We crushed it today. All right, let's give you guys free gifts. Free gifts. Take a screenshot. Well, actually, not yet. This is, if you guys haven't seen this, 22 free Claude Code training videos. As you can see, I talked about Claude this whole video, and that's why I need you guys to learn Claude. If Claude Code becomes horrible next month, which most likely he is, then he's going to get swapped out. So this is going to be all the training that you need in one place for free to give you dangerous superpowers when it comes to Claude.